Hello and welcome back to McKenya Daily. Today, we will be discussing about what to do with old non-stick cooking pans. Karibu! If you've got old non-stick sufurias in your kitchen, coating peeling, scratched, or just looking burnt, you may be wondering, can I remove the Teflon and keep using the pan? Today, we'll break it down and help you make the safest choice for your kitchen. Most non-stick cookware is coated with a chemical called Teflon, or PTFE. It's great for easy cooking and cleaning, but when the coating starts wearing off, it becomes a problem. At high heat, Teflon can release toxic fumes, and if it flakes off, you might accidentally eat tiny pieces of it with your food. So, can you remove Teflon at home? Technically, yes, but honestly, it's risky and often not worth it. Heating it can produce toxic fumes. Sanding it off creates harmful dust, and once removed, the exposed metal underneath, often aluminum, might not be food safe. Unless you have proper tools, a well-ventilated area, and safety gear, it's best to avoid this route. If you still want to try removing it, the safest method is sanding. Use coarse sandpaper or a wire brush to manually remove the Teflon. Always wear a dust mask, gloves, and eye protection. Work outside. And once done, clean the pan thoroughly. But even then, it may not be safe to cook with unless you know how to re-season or protect the bare metal. Instead of risking your health, consider switching to safer, long-lasting options. In Kenya, you can find cast iron pans, perfect for chapati, nyama, and more. Carbon steel, lighter, and also durable. Ceramic-coated pans, which are non-stick but chemical-free. Stainless steel sufurias, great for everyday cooking. You'll find these in Kamukunji, Gikomba, supermarkets like Naivas, or even online. In summary, removing Teflon from old pans is possible, but unsafe for most home settings. It's better to retire those pans and upgrade to safer cookware. Your health and safety are worth more than a sufuria. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, tafadhali like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to hear this. And tell us in the comments, what kind of pan do you trust most in your kitchen? Tuta onana next time.